What is good, everyone? Hope you guys had a decent trading day yesterday. Market's about to open up here in just a few seconds. We are in an interesting area to go for potential longs at market open, potentially. But just gotta kind of see what's happening at market open. Okay, we are getting a little bit of push. So yeah, we are kind of pushing up to the upside. If we can kind of retrace back into this area I just drew. This is on the 55. I would like to see it bounce from this area. But gotta be aware, we are in that area to go for shorts as well on the 144 and the 34 time frame. What would probably be nice is if we could retrace to this green box right here and then push up, have like the model play here, because then it would be give me extra confidence.
Order submitted.
Yeah,
Order submitted.
I think my stop's just gonna be maybe below this low. Nah, I'm not liking it right now. How the price is moving. Let's see if we can get a quick push to the upside. But I'm not liking it now. I'm gonna get stopped out here probably. I'm just gonna try to close at break even.
Order filled.
Now I'm just moving stop to break even. That order fill was just
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped at our break even on a couple of the trades. Okay, so I was able to secure profits on the My Funded Future account because I'm only aiming for $100. So I was able to secure profit on that, but on take profit accounts, we did get stopped at our break even, just about. So now we're just kind of waiting to see if on the 55 time frame if we're able to close above this area. If we can get a close above here, then I'll take another entry on the take profit accounts. But only on the take profit accounts, not on the My Funded Future. No reason to take a trade on those accounts or on that one My Funded Future account.
Order submitted.
All right, I'm in. Stop will be just below here. I may have entered a little too soon. Probably should have waited a little bit for the 55 candle to actually be able to close. Let's see what from this swing low to this swing high where 101 is. Okay. Yeah, I'll just stick with this profit target. It's at the 50 level pretty much. Everything's looking decent so far. Once we kind of hit this 25 level, I'm gonna go to break even. Nah, I'm gonna close. Just not liking how price is reacting. Might try to close around break even. I just need to see more of a push, which I'm not seeing. I might have to manually close my position soon. Yeah, I might manually close. Not yet. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. If we can get another quick pump up here, I would maybe close around here. That's tough. Yeah, because we're in that retracement area, and we did have a model play here. You know, this would be my short entry right here. I mean, it already happened on the 34. I'm very tempted to close my position. But let's see what keeps on happening. I gotta trust my position. If we get a nice tiny push here, I'll feel much better about my position. Just a little bit higher of a push. Nah, I don't feel too confident. I feel like it's gonna just stop me out right
Stop
here.
filled.
Yep, there we go, we got stopped out. Yeah, and there was like that 34R right here model that I didn't see because I was too focused on the 55. Definitely should have paid attention to that one. It's all right. Let's see if we can get a model play here on to the upside. So the thing is, like, I'm a little wary about having plays to the upside just because market's just been pushing up. It hasn't really had any off days. You can kind of see, like, this is the market profile, but you can see it's just been going up, 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 up. So it's a little sus. Honestly, I feel a little iffy going long. Yeah, this was a good bounce area, actually. It's kind of like a low volume node area. I might go for a quick scalp for a long. Just trying to see what happens here. If we get a push to the downside, wouldn't be bad. We would have my model right here on the 34R with the 144. But I am looking for a quick long play potentially.
Order submitted.
Yeah. I'm gonna have my stop be just below this low. Did I enter too early again or too late? Let's see. We'll find out. I might try to get stopped at a break even actually. If I get stopped at a break even, my play would be good actually. Nah, yeah, I'm actually good here. I'm gonna move my stop just a little bit to this area. To just below this low. If we get a tiny up close on the 21R, so a little bit push here, I'm gonna add another contract.
Order submitted.
So I'm gonna add in one more. All right, let's see if we can get that push to the upside. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out. Question mark?
Order filled.
Yeah. I think I'm doing a little too much right now, to be honest. So we have this potential play on the 34. Wow, I just got stopped out before price starts going back up. If that's the case, that's unfortunate. I do like the longs here though. Based off the 89R. I might take another shot for a long.
Order submitted.
But I'm gonna aim for 20 points to 95. Stop will be just below this low. I just want to keep, just want to see price just keep pushing up here. I did see we were in 5 points, so I may try to go break even. I do think price will kind of go up here. I think price will go up to this one level, so to close to the 300, but we just kind of gotta wait and see. I kind of like this right here, so I might move my stop to just below here, because I don't want to see price pretty much go below this level. Oh, and it does. Alright, yeah, I might exit at break even. Yeah, I'm just gonna exit at break even if I can. Oh, we have another, that one.
Target filled.
I'm tempted to move it, but I'm just gonna get out of break even there. Price just seems to kind of be consolidating here. Oh, and looks like now maybe we're getting that push up that I wanted. Never gotta move to the downside. Yeah, now we're getting a little bit more of a push. Could have stayed in, but it's all right. If we can come back down to, might set a limit order like around here. Buy limit order.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if we get filled in. All right, we got filled in. My stop, might move it to like this low right here. And we're just gonna aim for that quick 10 points. If we close below here, I'm gonna try to exit at break even. Yeah. I don't like that, so I'm gonna try to exit at break even. But it seems like I might get stopped out. See if we can get
Order
that
filled.
fill. Alright, we got that order filled, nice. Exit at break even, just about. Let's see if it actually ends up going up to the 88 level. If this is if the 89 candle is able to close to the upside, I will take another entry to the longs. I might try to go for another long. Price is looking decent for the longs. I'm just kind of waiting for that 89 candle to close. Just we've been in the same area, so it's a little risky to actually go for a long. I might just wait for a breakout to one side, to be honest. We also have data being released in about 10 minutes. ideally I would like to see price kind of come back down here to 220s. Let's put it to yeah, I mean, we're still like in somewhat of an interesting area for longs, but price hasn't really been wanting to go to longs or short, so I gotta stay. I can't do anything right now. Definitely have to stay like this. Oh, and there's the long play. I'm tempted to go long. Just hit my TP around here. Yeah, we should keep pushing up. But if I join now, it's too late. So I think it's best if I just wait it out. Yeah, so like I had the right plays each time. I've just been going long. I don't think I've shorted once yet. But unfortunately I just got stopped out like at the worst spots. So let's see, I entered here, stopped at break even, entry way up here. I don't know what I was thinking up here. But then, got stopped out down here. If I stuck to like my OG plan, then my stop loss would have been down here, but that's way too much of a risk. Then we took an entry here, stopped out again, but ultimately it does go in our direction, in our favor. Let's put the indicator we made on. Yeah, so I know on the take profit accounts, we might do some over trading, to be honest. Just to kind of get the accounts back in profit. Right now, the accounts are about $1,000 down. But if I just held and stayed true to my conviction, then we would have been in profit already. $233, candle's about to close with some good bullishness. But we're kind of getting close to the highs, so it's a little sus. $233 candle did just close. I would say fairly bullish. Now we're just pushing up, pushing P. 144 is kind of close to closing pretty bullish as well. I am tempted to take an entry, but that is going to be released in about 4 minutes. So might as well just wait. Yeah, I'm really tempted to go long, just for a quick scalp. Data's being released in 3 minutes though. Do I do it or do I not? That's the real question. We're at an uncharted territory though, so it wouldn't be smart. Yeah, no, I'm not going to take an entry yet. 144 hasn't closed yet, and a little bit of data is going to be released in a couple of minutes here. Yeah, just about a minute left. I don't understand though why market just keeps pushing higher and higher. I mean, I know the NQ is like related with like the tech sector, so I get that, but it's just still kind of crazy. $144 candle closed to the upside, pretty bullish, I would say. Data just got released, but it seems like not much is kind of happening to the market. I guess we'll kind of see what happens in this area to decide if I want to shoot my shot for the long or not. The 15-minute candle looks pretty bullish. Yeah, so it seems like this data had nothing to really do with the market, or market isn't so reactive to the data release. See what happens here. Just, I don't know. I'm a little scared to go long in this area, but if we get this up close candle, then I may go for it.
Order submitted.
Yeah, and stop's just gonna be below here. Once we're in 5 points profit, break even. I would like to just kind of see price skyrocket, honestly, instead of kind of consolidate like how it's doing right now. '89 candle was able to close the low of the 89, just like right here. I might go into another long entry. No, I don't like this. Actually, we'll see what happens here. We can get a little bit more of a bounce. Then I might add another contract. Yeah, particularly here, if we can get a bounce here. Okay, yeah, right now, so I'm not sticking to my model play, and it seems like we are probably gonna get stopped out. And this is why you stick to your model. Like, you do not deviate from it.
Stop filled.
And yep, we just got stopped out. So now we're down actually a lot more on my take profit accounts. So I'm just gonna stick to my model for right now. Yeah, and also right now I'm in that mindset for the take profit accounts where I'm just like, all right, I'm already down like $1,300 on those accounts. And you know, it's pretty much close to the original starting balance of 50K. So I might just try to see if I can try to revive this account and try to get to like break even or something. If not, I'll just purchase another evaluation account, because these are just evals, so I would say they're not as serious as the funded accounts. Once you have a funded account, definitely, if I was down like this much, I would definitely be done trading for the day. But yeah, it seems like with this take profit accounts, what I've just been doing, besides like the first couple trades, I've just kind of been going and just entering, like regardless of where we're at. I'm not really paying attention and following my model. Yeah, price is just going down. I think what I'm gonna do is just go for 5-point scalps. Just to slowly bring up the profit instead of trying to aim for these larger targets, zones. I'm curious to see what will happen when price reaches this new area that I'm drawing. Let me make it a little longer. I'll show you, just give me one sec. So this area right here. So if I can see like an up close candle with some red markers on the bottom, then I will definitely take an entry long. Are we in the 233 retracement area to the upside? Let's see. Nope, not yet. So down here at this level at 75, 670, or at 275, it seems like it's a bit of a high volume node. So yeah, I would like price to kind of get down to this region, to 650s, and kind of see what happens there. Okay, I think now we just reached into that retracement area on the 233. Yep, we're in that retracement area now. You can see by that 50 level that's at the bottom. Still kind of just waiting, see what happens. Not surprised to see like a tiny little bounce in this area, just because this is exactly where the high volume node is, right here. If we close above this tiny high right here, then I'll probably look for a long entry. Close above here. Okay, we're not able to get that close, or like a confirmed close. So let's see if we instead get it here. Actually, let's see what the 21 is doing. Yeah, we might just keep pushing down. Yeah, there it is. We're fairly close to this region here, so I'm going to be paying close attention to see if I see any up close candles with some decent strong selling into there. All right, we might just lag here a little bit just because I'm trying to see something on the 21R, but it's loading up the volumetric data, which is definitely gonna take a little bit of time. So kind of in no man's land right here. Don't really know what's kind of going on. Gotta wait for the computer to get everything organized, which it just did. And yeah, we're kind of pushing up from this area. Seems actually like we reached that 233 area retracement to the downside. But again, I gotta wait for the volumetric data to load up on the 21R. All right, there we go. Nice and loaded up now. Oh, it's because it has one of these indicators I have, which takes up a lot of storage, I guess, or processing power. Yeah, we're in that retracement area on the 55, so let's kind of just pay attention and see what happens here.
Hey, it's me. I know we haven't spoken in a while. Things have been weird.
Yes, we're still not like in like such an interesting area, to be honest. I will say though, I might go for a quick scalp to the downside here. This is a nice candle close. Let's see. Yeah, definitely could have gone in for a short up in this region, but now I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think I do like the shorts here.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna go for a quick scalp. Stop maybe just above here, above this high. Actually, I might try to target these lows, or at least let's go for 10 points right now, real quick. 77. I might target. Yeah, I think the view, like, is this the VWAP? Might be a good target. Yeah, that's the VWAP. I'll target just a little bit above it, actually. Dang, if I kept my 5 points, I would have gotten my profit right there. I might get stopped out. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna get stopped out here. Should have kept it there at the 5 points. No. Just kind of paying close attention to the smaller time frames to see if I can add in another position to the downside or not. Because right now we're just in the retracement area to the downside for the 233, but also to the upside. but the upside is invalid, so there's still room for downside potential. But it looks like we might just get stopped out here, unfortunately. Yeah, it seems like we're just not having the luck, to be honest. Which is, it's fine. I might just have to purchase new evaluation accounts. Which is fine too, because we've been getting our payouts. Yeah, we just got the stops filled right there, which is fine because we've been getting payouts and stuff. So like the money's there. The big buy order here. Dang, 289.
Order submitted.
I went for a quick snipe to downside. I'm just gonna keep with the 5 points. And once we get fairly close to the 5 points, I'll move to break even. Are we gonna get stopped out here? Let's find out.
Order submitted.
I had another contract. This is it. It's either this trade is going to go in our favor or it's not, and we're going to have to just get new valuation accounts, which is again I'm not too worried about. Because we've been getting consistent payouts on the My Funded Futures account, so I'm not too worried about that. I do think I definitely rushed the take profit account though, so if I do have to purchase an account again, then this time I'm definitely gonna take it nice and slow like I've been doing for my funded futures accounts. I just want to see my profit target get hit.
Order filled.
Nice. Good execution. See, we have some cells right here, but are we in an area of kind of interest? Not really. Like in low volume node area? No. Might try to go in for a long here.
Order submitted.
I'm just kind of preparing. If we can get a 21 close, yep, I'm going to move buy limit order there.
Order submitted.
Nice. Stop just below this low. Break even.
Target filled.
Target filled. Nice. Yeah, and I'm just going for the very quick scalp plays. If I can get to break even for the day, honestly, that'd be a huge win. Or honestly, like even minus $500 in profit, that'd still be like, I would consider that a win. Because we were down about $1,500 in drawdown. Which honestly, like, yeah, it's very scary to hear that's $1,500 down in drawdown. But it's not a funded account, it's just the evaluation account that I'm trying to pass. And this one I was definitely trying to pass a little too quickly. But I'm just gonna be sticking with my model. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens. If this 89 candle can close to the upside, I will take another entry at 01. So I'm just gonna place a limit order here.
Order submitted.
Actually, I have confidence.
Order submitted.
It should hit at least another 5 points. So I'm gonna go 2 cons. That's if the 89 candle closes, which it should close at this area. Pretty much a break of these highs, and then I would hope for a very quick push to the upside. I want to see like an explosive push up to here. And depending on what happens here, then I need to go refill on some water.
Order submitted.
And we just get filled there. So let's see a nice push to the upside. Stop is just going to be below the slow. Price should go up. We should keep going for a little bit. I am tempted to add another position. The 144 candle also did close here. I probably won't add another position, to be honest, unless this is an up close candle right here. I was hoping for a stronger push once that 89 candle was able to close, but we did not get that stronger push. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Just being patient. Yeah, I could definitely add another contract here, but I don't really want to. Alright, let's see a nice little aggressive push to the upside. Getting ready to move my stop loss to break even. Once I see like 3.5, 4 points, we're fairly close to the 5-point target. Yeah, there it is. We should definitely be hitting that.
Order filled.
So there it is. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go get some water, and then maybe just let the market do its thing for a few minutes. Yeah, so I'll be right back. good thing I didn't really try to go for move it to like 10 points up or something, because probably wouldn't have gotten stopped out yet, it seems like, but probably would have been pretty close. So now we just kind of just wait for market to do something. Now we're back down to about $1,000 in drawdown on the take profit accounts. I could definitely stop here and then just try to slowly rebuild the account again. Yeah, market's just still moving pretty slow all day today and yesterday in the morning. But ultimately, like if we look at what market did later in the day yesterday, it did move up a good amount. Like after 8:30, 8:45 is when it actually started moving up. Moved up from like 8:30, moved up almost 200 points towards the end of the day. So, maybe it could be another day like that today. But it seems like market's just ranging from 250 to 320. So it's not much, to be honest, and it's already an hour and 10 minutes since market opened. So it's really not much, to be honest. I'm also still waiting for that per dia live account. They were saying it takes 7 to 10 business days, and I passed it about on the 23rd or 22nd, I think. Yeah, so it's only been maybe like 5, maybe 6 business days. So still definitely gotta wait a little bit. But after I get that live account, then I'll have 2 funded accounts, or I guess hopefully 2 live accounts, because it would be the my funded futures as well as the per dia. And then these take profit accounts, we're just trying to pass the evals, so it doesn't mean much to us yet. Once you get to the funded, that's what starts to matter. That's when you definitely got to be cherry picking and be like sticking to your model to the T. Yeah, also what I'm thinking is like, so we had this play on the 55 earlier, around market open, which is why I was kind of going long, but obviously I got stopped out like somewhere down here. Definitely could have had the stop loss be here, but I'm thinking, and now like, if we have a model play occur, I might try to look on the smaller time frame for a better analysis. So like on the 89 range, instead of just waiting for an up close candle like here and then take that entry, I might wait for the 89. Because if we look on the 89, so this area on the 89 is pretty much when we get that confirmed breakout to the upside. So then what we could do is just kind of hope for a retracement, which we do get right here onto the 89. So then we switch to the 21. Oh, it's starting to go down a little bit. So when we look at the 21, we get that retracement to the downside. Then we get that close above this level here. And you know, probably enter here. And you do see I did take an entry there, but it was based off the 55R. So I guess you could wait for price to kind of retrace back into here and wait for a second close, which you get right there. So it'd probably enter here and then target the 90 level, which is right here. And then stops probably below here. Probably wouldn't be too bad. Might require a little bit more analysis though, because we don't really trade like that. Market's doing a little something here, so let's see what it does. So we were in that 233 retracement area to the downside, and it seems like the 55 was able to kind of fully close below. So it's telling me 55 was able to close below this level here. So it's kind of telling me that price is looking to move down rather than up. But again, I would like to see what price kind of does at this area here, like in the 260 level. What would be nice is if we get a model play kind of right here to the downside on the 34 and the 144R, because we do get that confirmed close to the downside on the 55. Yeah, and also once I get like, you know, more accounts, I'm tempted to go short. If we do close, get a nice close below here, and then have like a retracement to the downside again. Yeah, but back to what I was saying. Once I get these take profit accounts to become funded, I think I might just start trading like either minis or micros, to kind of half my risk, because since I'll have 4 accounts total at least, that means $100 on just one account means $400 a day, which is honestly like, you know, it's perfectly fine. It's what we look for. Or I just might continue trading the minis but alternate accounts. So I have 2 accounts that I trade one day, then another 2 the other, and so on and so forth. Just because, you know, sometimes you have days like this and you don't want to risk all your accounts. Right now, this low is not at the low volume area yet. I'm also looking for the 89 candle to be able to close here. Be able to close below this level, or below this candle low. Because this low was not breaking. It was almost breaking, but it wasn't broken yet. Swing low here. So if we're able to break below this low, it's pretty much my model play. You have that swing high, swing low, then tiny high and tiny low. Kind of just wait for retracement back into this area. I could definitely take a short if I see the good opportunity. Okay, nice. We're able to get that a close below this low. Got to be mindful of this low volume node right here, so we might see a little bit of a bounce. I'm tempted to take a long right here if this is an up close candle. It seems like we might just actually end up going here. So I'm not going to take a short entry because I think it's a little too close for my liking. So I'm kind of curious to see if price will be able to retrace into that area I was talking about, on the 89R. But you see, we are kind of getting a little bit of up close pressure there. Are we just pushing past there? Let's see. Seems like we're just kind of pushing straight through. 233 candle was able to close. Might go for a quick scalp here if the 55R is able to close, just because you can see that there is buying or selling and buying pressure here. So I do like that in this region. Seems like 55 candles about to close to the upside. We just get that up close.
Order submitted.
I entered a little bit late. I hesitated.
Target
might
filled.
start to break even now. Okay, nice. I may try to re-enter if we can kind of come back down into this area. And this big cyan box right here, the blue box right here, it's just the area that I'm interested in shorting from. And the blue box is it's based off the 89R. So we'll kind of see what happens here. This could be an interesting short right here. Stop just above this high.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'll take it. Stop just above that high. I think I did enter a little bit too late, to be honest. But I'm still liking it to the downside because 55 candle was able to close in this area. So let's see if we're able to just get another push to the downside. Seems like we will get that 5 points as long as price is able to stay underneath this red circle. Just need a quick little push. I do like how this is a down close candle. This area right here is also the point of control, the weekly point of control of this week. I'm not liking how slow it's moving. I was about to say I might take another sell order right there, but I think I was a little too late. I would like to see a rejection from here though. Which is kind of what we're getting. Okay, let's see it push down now. Oh, it should go. Yeah.
Stop
It's fairly
sell.
close. Alright, we got stopped out. That's fine. Yeah, you see, I knew I was like, oh, maybe I should re-enter another contract here. But definitely did not. Let's see if we can get our model play here though, to the downside. Because we're in the retracement area on the 233 as well as the 144. Okay, so we have this up close candle, we have this swing high, swing low. Let's kind of see what happens if we can get that tiny high and this tiny low. I would say the chances of breaking below here is a little bit higher just because we did break the area, even though we did bounce up, but we still did break this area. As I said before though, I am interested in taking quick long here in the 57 area again. But we have our model play here, so it's a toss-up, honestly. think for right now, maybe I will place
Order
that buy limit
submitted.
order there. And I just need to be aware of this area here. Because if we are able to close down, I'm thinking, you know, here we can have that entry, the buy limit order entry, and then we'll get filled out like right just before this box or at that box. Oh, I don't know though. I think I'm feeling more bearish.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see if we can get that bounce back into that zone. Stop just below this low. If we can get up a little bit more of a push. Actually, I'm going to keep it because we still need to get into this box zone area. So I do think we will have a little bit of bounce in there, ideally, or to that our PT here. Okay, I'm gonna move to break even. Just because we were fairly close to reaching this area.
Target filled.
All right, we got target filled. Now we have our play to the downside. So if this is a down close candle, then it would be a good spot to go short. But definitely have to be wary. I'm gonna stick with the 5 points. You can see there's a whole lot of selling and buying pressure here. Also, we did get that 89 candle close right about here. So that's why I kind of feel confident about taking this short position. But potential reversal pattern here from this orange down close, green up closed, and this blue up close. I'm not too sure how I feel about that, to be honest, in terms of going for a short. I think I might wait it out and not enter a short position. If we do kind of close above here, then I might have to switch my bias to longs. This low volume node, it's pretty good spot. Yeah, once we break this high, I'm definitely not interested in. Yeah, so I'm not interested in this zone for sure. This high, candle high, is at 73. This candle high is at 73.25. So I'm actually gonna get rid of this box now. Don't really need that there. This is just a tricky spot because that low volume node is right there, and then we're kind of bouncing off of it. But based off the 89R, I am a little bit more short biased. But I gotta listen to what the chart's telling me. This is I would say, a new area that we're looking at on the 34. Close below all this section right there. I'll be right back. Okay, so it seems like we weren't able to close below this zone that I drew up. So we're just gonna remove that. Salut! Salut! Yeah, still really not too sure what price is wanting to do here. We have like this swing high and swing low for potential room to the downside, but then we also have this swing low and this swing high for potential room to the upside. Kind of depends what happens here. Honestly, if we break this low and we close below here, more room to the downside. But if we decide to push up and close above here, then we might just be going to the upside. But I feel like I am still more short biased, because there is this low volume node here, but now it's not as low volume anymore, so it's not as important or as strong as it potentially could have been. So I'm looking to see if we kind of close below this low right here, because if we do, we'll get this zone, and we'll have our model. That's if this forming candle is able to close to the downside. If not, if it closes up, then we just get rid of this zone and we kind of just wait for something to happen again. Okay, it seems like we're kind of pushing to the downside now. The 144 is about to close. Just another like maybe 5 points to the downside. It's gonna close. I would say it's gonna close with some good bearishness. Yeah, so if we can get once this candle closes to the downside, if we can get a retracement back into this box here, should be good. The 144 candle did just close. I could just go short right here, but for a quick 5 points, and I probably would have gotten filled in somewhere around 46, 45, and probably would have just gotten filled out there. But we're gonna wait for that retracement into this area. I do think we'll probably end up going down to like 35-ish, 36 before we see like any bounce. I might try to take a short opportunity here, actually. Ideally, I would like to see it go to 255. Up here. Now it seems like it just wants to keep going down. Let's see. I know I have a low volume node somewhere here at 20. This will definitely be the interesting area. This is like the lowest volume node in between the two high volume node peaks. So it'll definitely be interesting to see what happens. But I'll be right back. Oh, we got the retracement. I might try to enter.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter stop somewhere just above here. Perfect timing actually too. Definitely would have gone in a lot earlier. But,
Order filled.
I was taking a phone call. Nice, good order fill. Yeah, you see this, and this is why you follow the model. When you follow the model, good things happen. Yeah, now I'm gonna wait for like a close pretty much down here in this level. Because we could definitely still go down a little bit. Got back up. Perfect timing. So we are bouncing up a little bit. As I said before, like around the 36 level. We're kind of close here, but around the 36 level is where that deeper valley kind of starts. So I'm not surprised to see a little bit of a bounce here. Oh, the model also appeared on the 55. I didn't even realize. So if we look at the 233, the fib level, we get into the retracement. Then we have our, oh, it's at the same spot right here. Would have entered off of this candle right here. But now we got to close above here. So I actually think we are going to be pushing to the upside. Yeah, and this candle was able to close above this candle high by 2 ticks. So ideally what I would look for is like a retracement back into this area to see potential longs. Also, this candle high is at 61.25. This candle high is also at 61.25. So this was the first candle that was able to break above here. So I'm thinking we have a retracement into this area. So let me just kind of move this to like there. So I'm thinking we have a retracement into this area here for a potential move to the upside. Also, this blue box, I'm going to move over now a little bit more because we already played it. Yeah, so we did get our model play here, which is good enough. But we just weren't able to make another, I guess, order block. And instead of making another order block, we kind of just closed right above here. So that's kind of what's causing me to believe that we're just going to keep pushing to the upside. And we are kind of like in a low volume node area. $144 candle close with some potential reversal showing. It just has a up close candle with some negative order flow. Which kind of makes me just tempted to just enter in right here, right now. Right here, this is literally the point of control, the weekly point of control right here. I am tempted. 55 and 89 candle did close to the upside. I am tempted to enter for a quick long, quick scalp. I would really like to see price kind of retrace back into this zone area first. This is the zone I would like to see price kind of come into. Yeah, this might be the longest like live recap thing video I've done. It's almost been going on for 2 hours. Yeah, so now I'm in drawdown about 700 on both of the evals. Which is definitely better than what we had before, which was 1500. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna, I guess, try to just be scalping in and out for the rest of the day today. I think just on these accounts though, definitely not touching my MyFunded Futures account. Really need, I think, 2 more days of $100, and 2 more winning days to be eligible for live. Let me double check right now. Yeah, so I just need 2 more days. Now we'd kind of just retrace back into this area. So I'm definitely interested in looking for a potential long. I might just go in long in this area. Or what would even be perfect is if we kind of get our model play here as well, because now we're kind of touching that retracement area on the 144. But also you got to think we're also in that retracement area on the 144 to the downside as well as to the upside. So before I was definitely a little bit more short biased, just because on the 89 we were kind of rejecting this area, but you know, we already played it. So I'm not really too concerned with that anymore. So I'm just looking at the market and seeing what the market has to offer. might go in for a long here.
Order
Swing for
submitted.
21. Yep, there we go. I went in for the long, stop just below this low is fine, or below this candle low actually. We did hit 3 points, but I want to see more of a push. See that 55 candle was able to close. No, 55 hasn't closed to the upside yet. Seems like it might get stopped out here. If I get stopped out here, then we have a entry to the downside. I might try to exit at break even if I can.
Order filled.
Yeah, we can stop that there. Okay, we have an entry to the downside now. I'll play. I get rid of this zone right here. But if we close above here, then I will switch my position. Instead of trying to go short, I will go for the long. I'm gonna go for 2 contracts here just because this is our model. And we're kind of underneath that old low volume node right here.
Order submitted.
Okay, yeah, I'm in. I'm gonna try to go for like 10 points. I might do a bigger stop. Oh, we're almost at 5 points, I saw. Yeah, we should kind of go down towards here before we kind of reject or start bouncing to the upside. See a little bit more of a push down before I go break even. Just a little bit more. Nice. I might have to go break even here. Hopefully we don't get stopped out here. Actually, instead of going break even, I might move it up to here. We might get stopped out here actually. Oh, are we gonna get stopped out? Hopefully not, but I guess we'll see. Okay, nice. I might just manually close out here. Nah, I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna stay true. Oh, nice. Oh, very close to getting stopped out right there, or hitting my target. Oh no. I might move my stop to here. Because we were so close. I'm gonna get stopped out here. This low was at 34.75. It was literally 1 tick away. really tempted to close. I'm bringing it a little bit down to here. Don't want to see it make a new
Stop
high.
filled.
Alright, we got stopped out. Dang, we're so close to getting our fill there. That's so unfortunate. I might try to re-enter somewhere. I might re-enter here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm taking another entry there. Oh, nice. I didn't even have time to move my thing. Dang, if I just held onto it, I would have got stopped or got my entry here. It's alright. It is what it is. I'm tempted to re-enter. Because we could still go down. We kind of are in that area though of potential bounce. I think we can go down to 20, 22 area. But I don't know. I might actually push up here. I'm gonna take a quick long position. Is this the low? Yeah, we're kind of I'm gonna take quick scalp to the upside.
Order submitted.
It's not just below the slow. Actually, I might try to get out. We'll see. I might break my stop loss. If we can just make a new high, just a little bit more of a push. Haven't made that new high yet. All right, there we go. Nice. I do like that push. I want this candle to be able to close. I have to go to break even. Price is
Order
very
filled.
close to touching my profit. Okay, we got filled out, or stopped out, I mean. which is fine. I think I will maybe put a limit order somewhere around here, or if we are able to bounce off this region. I'll take a nice quick scalp to the upside.
Order submitted.
I'm waiting for a quick long there. Probably not the best fill. Stop will just be below this low. $41.47. Oh, I gotta move to break even if I can. I didn't realize. Oh, I was only in one con. I meant to go and get into two. But I might get stopped out anyway, so that's fine.
Target filled.
Target filled. Okay. Yeah, definitely meant to get into two contracts there. Kind of waiting to see if the 89 is able to close to the upside. Yeah, I also reacted a little too late on this one. Yeah, I was saying that I reacted a little bit too late off of this one because we are in that low volume node area. So I would expect a little bit of a bounce after I see, this. Excuse me. This could be interesting if this ends up being an up close candle. If it ends up being an up close candle, then I will take a long entry. What was this low? At 33, so then at 42.5. No, this wasn't able to be a down or up close candle. If this is able to be an up close candle, it wouldn't be too bad either. What is this low? 31.25, so then at 42.5.
Order submitted. Let's make a new lows. 37.5,
Sold in at 975. The reason why I would be interested in this going long here is just because you can see a lot of selling pressure here, but there's also like a lot of buying power here. So I do think if we were to bounce, this would be a good area to bounce. Oh, almost got filled there. Seems like price might just want to keep going down, so I might close. We'll see.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Stop just below the lows. Once we're like fairly close to take profit, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Yeah, a lot of buying, selling kind of happening here. I feel good about the longs just because we're in that low volume node area. Just need to see a little bit more of a push. Just a bit more of a push, come on. I might try to exit at break even actually. Don't like how it's turning out right now. Yeah. I don't like this. I might manually close.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. It's fine. I tried to play this level here, but it didn't work out too well in my favor. So we'll try again.
Order
I
submitted.
do like that. I'll go for 10 points. Stop just below the low. Maybe a little bit under here. Yeah, I do like this. I might add another 2 contracts.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I think this is a good target to have. I'm just gonna let it be, not move my stop loss or anything. $37 should be a good area to secure profits.
Target filled.
And target filled, nice. Yeah, if we didn't take this last trade where I got stopped out, I would have probably been around break even for right now. Ooh, actually I might take another entry.
Order submitted.
This is the area that we've been waiting for. I think I definitely entered a little too late. 41. Still should hit.
Stop
Might move to
filled.
break even. Stopped filled. It's fine. could be a good area to enter here.
Order submitted.
Stop just below the slow again. Oh, break even.
Order filled.
Nice, order filled. Okay, do we stop trying to trade these accounts now? Because we're just down 300 bucks now. Definitely much better than the 1500 we were down before, for sure. But it's still in an interesting area that I still like. Just mainly because, like, look at all that selling pressure going into here, but into that low volume node right there. But then we just kind of bounce out. So to me, it just screams like, oh, getting long, reversal play. Yeah, I think I might take another long here. Just waiting for the 21R to kind of be able to close above a certain level.
Order submitted.
Alright, I'm in. I'm gonna put the stop just below the slow. Oh, I actually might have to move to break even already.
Order filled.
Alright, we got stopped out, break even. I might try to take another entry, another stab at it right here. We can go a little bit lower. This 41.25, this low 41.5. Right now I'm just kind of paying attention to the 21R to see if we can have a nice entry somewhere.
Order
Might shoot
submitted.
a shot here again. Stop just below the slow. Probably not the best area to enter, but I still feel somewhat confident about this area and going long. 53. Oh, actually, there's a little bit of a low volume node in this area at 51.75, so I might actually try to get out. I'm just kind of seeing what happens on the 21R. Yeah, because this area right here is an area of interest. Right here. Might try to take like another entry or something. Maybe another 2 entries. I'm just kind of waiting to see where I want to take another 2 entries from. 2 contracts.
Order submitted.
41. Okay, let's see if we can maybe reach new highs. Just say target these highs that are there. Because, yeah, right above here is like a low volume node area. Once we're maybe like 5 points in profit, I'll probably move stop loss to break even. Oh, we're almost there already. Just a little bit more of a push up. Let's see. So far as of right now, things are looking decent. But obviously we just need a little bit more of a stronger push. Maybe I'll try to like a little bit below. Now it's just a matter of waiting, just being patient. Maybe actually I will stick with my original of just the highs. I feel like that should be fine. It's still below this low volume node area. Nah. Nah, we'll keep it. We'll stick to the original plan. But a little part of me is also tempted to kind of exit at break even as well. If this forming candle is able to, kind of close to the upside and stay above this 52 cons that were for a sell, I think we should be fine. I'd like to see a push up here. Just looking at the 21R, I'd like to see a close above this level. Without breaking this low. we just kind of have to wait and see what happens. All right, well, price is moving down, so obviously, it's not what we want to see, for sure. We get my model entry on the 89R and the 21R to the downside. So it's not looking too hopeful for us right now, to be honest. This play is either going to make or break our evaluation accounts. That's unfortunate. Ooh. Big one right here. Sell 192 contracts. This could be good if this is an up close candle. If it's a down close candle, then we actually might be in trouble. Which is kind of giving that it's going to be a down close, so we might be in a little bit of trouble. Yep, we're in trouble. We might lose the accounts here.
Order filled.
It's unfortunate. The accounts are done for. Dang, that's unfortunate. We were about $300 in drawdown. I was kind of looking for that. I was being hopeful. Because I don't think if
Order
I tried to do like a
submitted.
sell order, yeah.
Order
it's already
canceled.
been liquidated. Oh, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. So our take profit accounts are now done for. They're liquidated. So now we just have to purchase new evaluation accounts, which is, it's unfortunate, but I guess it is what it is. Yeah, it definitely didn't. Dang, I probably should have just set that limit order right here, because we literally bounced right off of it. Look at that, we bounced right off of it. I probably would have been able to get 5 points or something. Yeah, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh no, I don't know how confident feel about this anymore. Okay, yeah, so we're just gonna have to purchase new evaluation accounts, which is fine. I'm fine with that. So with that being said, as you can see today, you gotta stick with your model. If you don't stick with your model, then bad things happen, which we don't like to see. So just follow your model and you should be fine. Peace.